Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to record calls on iPhone iOS 18. Recording calls on iPhone running iOS 18 can be tricky due to Apple's privacy policies. You can use a third-party app like a Google Voice or tape a call by going back right here to your App Store, tape a call, right? Or you could use like Google, right? Google Voice, right? That allows you to set up an account and enable call recording in settings, right? And you can use an external device like voice recorder, right, from your another phone, or you can use voicemail method. Call your contact and add your voicemail as a participant in a conference call. The call will be recorded to your voicemail. Note, always inform the other party that you're recording the call, as recording calls without consent can be illegal in many regions. So those were not the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.